Hello children, welcome back to the maths class. We shall begin with a new chapter, chapter number 13, Pythagoras Theorem. Now, you can see a right angle triangle ABC is given to us. Okay, now how do we know it is a right angle triangle? Because one angle in a triangle is shown as 90 degree, right? That means angle B is 90. That means angle ABC is a right angle, right? Now, if angle ABC is a right angle, the side opposite to this right angle, which is the side opposite to right angle B? AC. So, AC is the hypotenuse side. Okay. So, AC is the hypotenuse side of triangle ABC. So, the side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse side. Now, let us see the Pythagoras theorem. Now, from where does the name Pythagoras is derived from? Okay. Now, Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician of 6th century, okay, BCE. He was a mathematician. So, the name is derived from the mathematician Pythagoras. And he had made very important contribution to mathematics. His teaching in mathematics was very popular. Okay. Now, people of many countries had long known of a certain principle related to right angle. Okay, it is also given in the book called Shurva Sutra in ancient India. As Pythagoras was the first to prove the theorem, it is named after him as Pythagoras. Okay, so this theorem is called as Pythagoras theorem. Now, what does the theorem states? It states that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Now let us see what does the statement means. In a right angle triangle ABC, the square of hypotenuse, now this is a hypotenuse side, right? Side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse side. AC is the hypotenuse side, BC is a base and AB is a height. So, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse, that means hypotenuse square is equal to, so is equal to the sum of the square, the sum means the addition, okay, the sum of the square of the other two sides. So, that means the sum of the square means the square of these two sides, that is base square plus height square. Or else it can be also written as hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So, any one could be written. You can either write this or this. Both are correct. So, now in triangle ABC, which is a hypotenuse AC. So, I open the bracket, rectangular bracket. I write length, again a curve bracket, okay, round bracket AC square, close the bracket and I put the square. So, length of AC square is equal to length of AB square plus length of BC square. Okay, side 1 and side 2. Anything can be your side 1. Either this can be your side 1 or this can be your side 1. Anything whichever you want can be your side 1 and side 2. Okay. Now, let us see to practice set 48. Okay. Now, before that, the activity which is there on your page 88 of the textbook is been omitted. So, this activity is omitted, okay, from page 88. Then, from page 89, this is omitted. Again, this let's discuss is also omitted and the activity which is over here is also been omitted. So, just make a note of it. Now, let us go to practice set 48, question number 1. First one, in the figure given below, find the value of x. Now, you can see the figure is given to us, right? You can see a right angle triangle LMN, where LM is 7, MN is 24 and we have to find LN. So, the figure is given to us. Now, from the figure, we have to find the value of x. So, now let's start. in triangle LMN, angle M is 90 degree. So now this is the hypotenuse side, right side opposite to 90, that is side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse side. So using Pythagoras theorem, you have to mention this, you are using Pythagoras theorem. So it is important to mention that thing. That is hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay. Now anything can be your side 1 and anything could be your side 2. So now here I have mentioned LMS side 1 and MNS side 2. So length, now Ln is the hypotenuse. So length of Ln square is equals to length of Lm square plus length of Mn square. Now Ln is x, so x square is equals to Lm is 7, so 7 square plus Mn is 24, that is 24 square, which is equals to square of 7 is 49 plus square of 24 is 576. You add them both, therefore x square is equals to 625. Therefore x is equals to, taking square root on both the sides, taking square root you have to find the square root of 625, which is equals to 25. Now to find square root, which has already been taught to you. Okay, so I won't be telling you all again how to find the square root because you all are familiar with it. Now next, second sum. In triangle PQR, PQ is 9, PR is 41, find QR. Now this is a hypotenuse side because angle Q is 90 degree. Angle Q is a right angle. So side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse side. So side opposite to right angle is side PR. So PR is a hypotenuse side. So in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you get hypotenuse square is equals to, anything can be your side 1. This can be your side 1 and this can be your side 1. So I have taken this as side 1 and this as side 2. So hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So here that is length PR square is equal to length PQ square plus length QR square. Therefore, PR is 41 square, side 1 is 9 square and side 2 is x square. Okay. So now find square of 41. 41 into 41 you multiply. If you know the squares directly, it's well and good. You can write that as 1681, which is equals to square of 9 is 81 plus x square. Now I keep the x square over here and shift this 81 on the other side. So that becomes plus 81. When I shift on the other side becomes minus 81. 1681 minus 81, which is equals to 1600. So x square is 1600. So taking square root on both the sides. So when you take square root on both the sides, it becomes x is equals to square root of 1600. So which is equals to 40. So you get the value of x as 40. So x is equals to 40. Okay. Next. Now question 3 from your first sub question is a homework. Third sum you have to do for homework. Now let us proceed to the next question. Question 2. In a right angle triangle PQR. Okay, in a right angle triangle PQR, angle P is 90 degree. Okay, angle P is given to us as 90. If this is 90, then RQ is the hypotenuse side. Then PQ is 90, angle P is 90, PQ is 24 and PR is 10, find length QR. So in triangle PQR, angle P is 90. So by using Pythagoras theorem, now we all are familiar with it. Hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So hypotenuse is QR square. Side 1 can be anything. I have taken PQ as side 1 and PR as side 2. So I have mentioned that. So that is PQ is 24 square and PR is 10 square. So 576 plus 100 is equals to 676. So you get square root of 676, which is equals to 26. So length QR is equals to 26 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 3 you have to do for homework. Okay. Now let's go to question 4. Fourth sum. The question is, the top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. Okay, now the top of a ladder. So now let us see, a ladder is kept, okay, it is kept in such a way that it reaches a window above the ground. So that means BC is the ground, okay, BC is the ground, AB is a wall, okay, AB is a wall, there is a window over here. So now a ladder is kept. So AC is a ladder. So a top of the ladder of length 15 meters. So the ladder is of 15 meter. It reaches the window of 9 meter above the ground. So there is a wall over here which has a window. So a ladder is kept in such a way that it reaches the window. So BC is the ground, the base of the ground. So what is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? So what we have to find? We have to find the distance, okay, we have to find the distance between the base of the wall. So this is the base of the wall and the base of the ladder. So we have to find BC. So let us assume, let x be the distance between the base of the wall and the base of the ladder, okay, so which is x. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, you get hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So hypotenuse is 15 square, side 1 can be 9 and side 2 can be x. So 225 is 15 square and 81 is 9 square plus x square. Shift this on that side. So that becomes 225 minus 81. So 225 minus 81 you subtract, you get as 144. So x square is equals to 144. Now taking square root on both the sides, that is x is equal to square root of 144, which is equals to 12. So distance is 12 meter. Okay. Thank you.